Soundcore is at it again, people. They just recently dropped their latest truly wireless earbuds. These are their Life P3s. And look, people, this is what they provided inside of these earbuds. You got very good sound, compact design, USB Type-C and wireless charging options, 35 hours of battery life, very dope app, and it's all for $80. What else do I have to say? I mean, links in the description, people. Yo, my work here is done.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
What's going on, YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, people, so like I said in the intro, these new earbuds from Soundcore, they are going on sale right now for $80. And like I said earlier, the links can be found in the description below. These come in 5 different colors. You got a black, a navy blue, a oat white, a red coral, and a sky blue. And Soundcore was nice enough to send me over their navy blue and their black versions right here. But as always, I'm gonna keep this video 100% unbiased and give you my full and honest opinion on how I feel about these earbuds. Going around this box on the front side, you automatically see it says compact buds with ultimate noise canceling. So $80 earbuds with noise canceling in them. It seems like Soundcore is pushing to make noise canceling at a very good price, the industry standard. I'm here for that. You got bass up, so inside of the app you got this bass up feature, which I'll talk about right here. Hybrid ANC, 35 hours of playback time, and so with that 35 hours of playback time, you get 7 hours on a single charge, and the case will charge these back up. What is that, 4 additional times, 4 total of 35 times? And on the back side, it says multi-mode active noise cancellation, which I'll talk about more when I start talking about the app. Clear calls via 6 mics, so that's 3 on each ear, and that helps out with your ANC and also the voice recognition. 7 hours of playback time, like I said before. Oversized 11mm drivers, those are talking about the speakers on the inside of the earbuds. Wireless charging, IPX5, and then also inside the box, it says that you get the earbuds charging case, you get 5 ear tips, extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large, and then you also get the USB Type-C charging cable. And that's pretty much it for everything on the outside of the box. So on the inside of this box, what you would get when I open these up is, go ahead and set those over there. You have your charging case right here, right on the top side, and the earbuds are already inside of here. Inside of this little box right here, this is where you will get your USB Type-C charging cable, and it's a nice touch. I like that Soundcore always provides this nice cable management Velcro strap. You also have your replaceable silicone ear tips. Like I said before, you get 5 in total. I believe the mediums are already pre-installed on the earbuds, and you get your 4 extra ones right here. And then underneath all of that, you do get some literature, which is all encompassing right here. It's a quick start guide, user manual, stuff like that. But watch this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about all of that, so you don't even need the book. Okay, so going around this case right here, it is a small and compact design, and in comparison to the AirPods Pro, it is a little bit thicker, but it also looks like it might be just a tad bit shorter, maybe a little bit wider overall, but this is a very compact design. You have your USB Type-C portion on the back side. Like I said before, this is capable of being wirelessly charged, and as soon as I set it on a wireless charger, automatically the lights start coming on, it's charging up. Multiple options to be able to charge these earbuds back up, and you also get your indicator lights on the front side as well. There's 3 dots, so I'm guessing in increments of around 33%. This lid door is held closed, I do believe, with a magnet, and the earbuds on the inside as well, they are held in with magnets. You give them a shake and they will not fall out. You also have your Bluetooth sync button right here, just in case if you want to hook it up to a separate device, but you are not able to hook these up to multiple devices at once. I did not expect that for only $80. Going around these earbuds, they are an all plastic design. They're your boom style earbuds. I do like the boom style earbuds. It cuts back on those accidental touches. You have your touch pads on the outside right here. I'll get into those button functions once I go into the app. Like I said earlier, you do have 3 mics on each of these earbuds. So you have 1 mic at the bottom of the stem, another mic right behind the silicone ear tip, and then a 3rd mic right at the top right here of the ear stem, right below the actual ear tip. Me personally, I really like the stem type earbud. Those are my favorite type of earbuds. I just think they're a lot more user friendly to pull in and out of your ears without getting those accidental touches. You will not get the automatic shut off sensors on these earbuds. So when you do take them out of your ears to cut them off, you do need to put them back in the case so that they will shut off. Or if you do decide to use one earbud at a time, because that is an option with these, you would need to put the other one back in the charging case to shut that earbud off, or it will keep playing and it'll drain your battery. So just be wary of that. And one more thing with the battery life on these earbuds, to charge these earbuds back up using the case is around 2 hours. And to charge the case back up completely, if you do drain the case, it's around 3 hours. And that's it, people. That's pretty much the whole design, the layout of the earbuds. Like I said before, I really like this stem design. It's my favorite design when it comes to earbuds. Okay, so now let's talk about the app, people. Once you get these, you charge these up completely. Go ahead and download the Soundcore app if you don't already have those. And I do have this app right here, as you can see. So when I click on that, I already paired these to my phone, so it should automatically pop up right here. But you would normally come to this splash screen right here, and then what you want to do is click on headphones. You pick the Life series, and then you pick which ones you want to connect. Since I already have these connected, I'm just going to jump right into my devices and then click on that. So as you can see right here, this is the main screen for the Life P3 earbuds. You do have your left and right battery status level right here. At the top right, you have the gear icon. So if I click on that, it gives you touch tone feature, turn that on and off, update firmware. You do have find device. So if I click on that, it says not to put this, not to have it in your ear while you're playing it. But if I hit that play button, this is what it sounds like. It doesn't seem like it's getting louder. It seems like it's just a steady tone, but that is a nice feature to have just in case you lose these earbuds. I know when my daughters want more earbuds, they will be getting these. And to have this find device option on here is a very good plus, because my youngest daughter, she'd be losing her earbuds all the time. You also get your help tab and your quick start guide right there. Underneath this question mark, if I click that, it says Life P3. It says no content right here. You get feedback, live chat, and phone. So I'm guessing that's how you contact the company if you have any issues. Ambient sound option right here. So if I click on ambient sound, once you hit noise cancellation at the top, you have 3 different types of noise cancellation options. You have transport, indoor, and outdoor, and you can read the description for those right there. I like to keep it on indoor. I noticed for me that that gives the best noise cancellation in my opinion. And then you also get transparency mode, fully transparency mode, or vocal mode. You can see what those are for right there. And I'm gonna keep it on fully transparent. You also get normal mode, where it just cuts everything off. Going back to the main screen, you also get your gaming mode right here. So let me hit that I. It says turn on gaming mode to reduce latency and enhance the sounds of footsteps and voices. Note you may experience connection instability. Got it. So I'm going to keep that off for now. I will test out the latency when it comes to gaming a little bit later, and then I'll cut that on to see how good that works. Also, you have your equalizer right here at the bottom. You got these custom presets already. So you have acoustic, bass reduced, podcast, flat, jazz. It looks like you got around 21 different presets right here. I like the Soundcore signature because this is where you have that boost up right here. So when I was talking about the boost up earlier on the box right here, this is where you would pick that option. So I just went with the Soundcore signature preset and hit the boost up. And then you also have your custom right here. When you click on custom, this is where you can go ahead and customize your EQ, and you can add your different EQs down at the bottom. And just if you're more of an audiophile person and you want a more dialed in tone, or if any of the presets don't fit your needs to how you want to listen to your music, just hop over here, set your custom EQ, and then you're good money. I am not an audiophile. I just look for something that sounds really good to my ear. So this Soundcore signature preset with the bass up clicked, that's good enough for me. You also get superior sleep. And so with the superior sleep, I've played with this before on a different app, on a different video. And hold on, let me back this up. And so what these are is that you'll get these different sounds. So if I play that, hopefully you can hear this in post. I can make sure I put this on it. So you'll get these different sounds. You can turn these up and it'll be up louder. So one thing that I like, hold on. One thing that I like about this is that you can actually mess with these and you can actually have all of these turned up. So you can actually have all of these turned up, which is pretty dope. Let me turn all these up. So like I said, you can actually have all of these turned up and then like create a little environment in your ear, which is super, super dope. I really like that Soundcore puts that in here. I mean, obviously you might not want to do that if you're trying to get some sleep. To have all of them up, just find a good white noise that makes you comfortable. You also get this moon with the Z's right here, and then that just adds a countdown timer. So you click on that, and then I do believe, let me see. So if I hit play, it'll play for that certain period of time, and then once that timer goes off, it'll shut all the way down. It'll cut all the way off. That's an added bonus inside this app, which I do actually like. And then moving down to your controls right here, this is where you get your control options. So you have your single tap, your double tap, and hold for 2 seconds. And as you can see, you do get your left and right at the bottom. I do have single tap selected at the top, and then for the left and the right, I chose play and pause, but you can switch that to volume up, volume down, next, and previous. And it's the same options for the right one. Or you can just turn it off completely. Also with double tap, same options, but you also get the option to add in voice assistant and ambient sound. And that's the same for the left and right, and then hold for 2 seconds. You can do everything else. And then also when you click on ambient sound, you have these options to do noise cancellation, transparency mode, and normal. And what that means is, so if I hold down the left one for 2 seconds, it'll go to noise cancellation, then transparency mode, then normal, and keep cycling through that. But if I just click off of normal, it'll just do noise cancellation, transparency mode, and go back and forth between those. But I do like having all three of those options clicked. I don't know why, I just do. And those are your button functions for these earbuds. I do think it's super dope that Soundcore gives you the option to select your button layout. And then lastly, you also get your tip fit test. So if I click on here, it says tip fit test, check the ear tip seal to optimize your audio performance. So as you can see, it tells you the benefits of that. And I'm going to put click earbuds in position, and I'm gonna hit start test. Bang, good money. And that's pretty much it for the app, people. I mean, just the ability to toggle through the ambient noise options, having an equalizer in here, and then also being able to customize your button layout. That is the bare minimum that I'm looking for in an app. Obviously having a little bit of general information at the top as well. But other than that, Soundcore gives you extra bonuses on top of here. You get your fit test, you get your superior sleep control. You also have the gaming mode option in here. This app right here is one of the best. To not be as such of a big company like Sony, because Sony has a super dope app as well, I think Soundcore holds their own when it comes to their mobile app. And it's all about just updating this app right here if they want to add more features to it. But for right now, I do think that this app is super, super dope, and it's a major, major go. Shout out Flossie Carter. That's the big homie right there. So when it comes to sound quality, people, having an option to customize the EQ to exactly how you want it to sound inside of the app, or go ahead and pick one of those presets that sound good to you. It really helps out with the Soundcore on here. So for $80, people, I don't think there are earbuds out there that you will find a better sound because of being able to customize the EQ inside of this app. If I'm lying, or if you know of earbuds that sound better than these right here, please feel free to check me down in the comments. I would love to review those. But for sound quality, I think the sound quality here is super dope. Like I said earlier, being able to customize the EQ, you can get those highs, those customized. You can get those crystal clear highs. You can get the very spread out mids, pick up any voices and instrumentations on any music that you listen to. And then also for the lows, with this bass up feature in here, I am actually pleasantly surprised about how much bass that these actually produce when you have that bass up feature turned on. Now, I listen to music on Tidal, and I'm starting to listen to more music on Apple Music, simply because I just want to test out the differences when I'm doing these videos, just to let you know. And I noticed that while Tidal, I'm able to get a little bit more punchier bass on there, Apple does provide almost just as much bass when it comes to the sound quality check that on the music that I listen to. That's what I've noticed. Either way it goes, you're getting very good sound when it comes to these earbuds, and it's for $80. So go ahead and put that into consideration as well. Okay, people, and so how you're hearing my voice right now, this is how another person will hear you on the other end of the call. Like I said before, they do have 6 mics, and these 3 on each earbud to help out with voice pickup and also ANC. But let me go ahead and turn on some ambient noise to see how much ambient noise is actually being let in by these earbuds. I do have some ambient noise going on in the background, and that's at a level 7. Inside of this office right here, the studio, whatever, it is pretty loud. So let me go ahead and let you see how much ambient noise is allowed to come in so that you can get a gauge if you're wearing these in the city or if you are walking around in a louder environment. You can see how much ambient noise comes in. Nipsey Hussle, God rest the dead. And that is the conclusion, people, of my call quality test. I won't know how good it actually sounds until I get it in the post, but feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about this call quality test. Okay, people, so I tested out the latency on these earbuds and all of your main video streaming platforms, your YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, you know, your usual suspects when it comes to movie streaming services. No latency issues whatsoever. When it came to gameplay, I didn't notice any latency. If there was, it was very slight and it didn't impede my ability to play Call of Duty Mobile whatsoever. And that's it, people. That is my unboxing first impressions review on this Soundcore Life P3 truly wireless earbuds. Like I said, people, these are for $80. You're going to be hard pressed to find any truly wireless earbuds that offer all of these qualities inside of under $80 like these do. I mean, like I said before, you have very good sound, very dope sound in my opinion. You have a compact design, you have wireless charging, USB Type-C charger, 35 hours of battery life, a very, very dope app. You're able to customize a lot of things inside of the app to your liking, especially when it comes to the EQ and all the different options and presets that you have inside of this app. I don't think you can beat it. I really honestly don't think that you can find earbuds underneath $80 that can compete with these. Maybe some that might be close, but they probably won't have the same exact features as these. So if you're in the market for some truly wireless earbuds, please give Soundcore a try. They have been making noise in this industry for a little bit now. They've sent me tons of earbuds, and these are probably one of the best earbuds that I have tested out for them simply because of the price point that they offer these at. So like I said, people, that is my full review. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, or if you're just the first time to this channel and you like what you're seeing, go ahead, feel free to smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas and I'm out. Peace.